Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports, at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave, and today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This bike is in fantastic condition, only 2,800 miles, brand new tires, liquid cooled V-twin, fuel injection. This bike is in gorgeous shape, satin black, it's got your passenger backrest already on, belt drive, no chain to mess with. Make your 900cc V-twin dreams come true. This beautiful Vulcan 900 Custom, price to sell just $39.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostapia.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.